Yeah. She caught my eye as she was walking by. Cute face, great smile with some big brown eyes. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Like yeah. Damn, baby, look at you go. From head to toe, you're a 10. Have I seen you before? I'd love to talk, I just don't know how to go about it. So instead I had to go and write a song about it. How you doing? Tell me what your name is. A simple conversation that's usually quick and painless, but I'm sweating bullets, shaking in my shoes. The angel on my shoulder says I got nothing to lose. But girl, can you lend me some of your confidence? You'd be a billionaire if currency was compliments. High heels, even higher self-esteem, turning heads, breaking necks when she step up on the scene. But wait, hold up, I think she's walking my way. Come on, man, you got this. Today is the day. I know you're nervous, dude, but don't show it. Will you finally make a move or will you blow it? She's getting closer now, she's getting closer, looking like a supermodel right out of a poster. Type of girl that's used to guys blowing kisses at her. But I didn't know what to say, so I just whistled at her. Like
pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. Tear me apart, and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.
Bullseye.